Firstly, a Merry Christmas! Hope you had a wonderful Christmas this year. This video is all about the crib we made. The crib which I call the biggest crib in Goa. Now I do know that our boys from the south make much bigger cribs than this, but this video is all about this amazing crib from the very first stone. I'm giving my phone to the guy who can lift that father.
Okay, be sure.
Oi, Ata. This is a very new kind of technique which we just realized that we could have done. Since no one could do the job, I had to do it by myself.
The biggest bobcat car in the world.
मेगन मोड आप क्या कर रहे हैं? आप दो शब्द बताना चाहते हैं? माझे फट मारना सोगल पटोला मान भाई. Where there's smoke, there's fire. Whatever you guys are doing, it looks good. Just saying, you know, just saying. I don't know what day this is supposed to be, but we've done quite a lot. Yeah.
This is the man behind the scenes. There is no one better to do this job than Jesus Alves.
He like suddenly surprised
So
like.
humble, so hardworking, and behind the scenes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Look at that! Look at that! Look at all that! Yeah, tracks. Amazing tracks.
These tracks will go for Molly now, the double track.
The government has given us the orders. That's fine.
I'm good. As I was saying, the best man for the job, Jesus Alves.
आप अच्छा काम करती है, इतना बताना था. आप भी अच्छा काम करते हैं, इतना बताना था. आप भी अच्छा काम करते हो. ये घर अभी हमारे गोटे में जाएंगे. मुझे हिंदी की तरह पता लगा लो बा कौसा दूं कि सांबा होता. Walk faster रे. Just a regular day in the city. How was it? Such lame content we do. See. Yeah. This is the Saint Sebastian Chapel right above all of the Neura, I suppose. That's the Neura this side. We have Tristan with us. That is Haznak. If you do not know about that, not the first time I'm showing you places, but it looks good. We want to tell our people watching us why are we here. I mean to say why we are here.
To find for Korod.
Korod in the house. I'm not sure why I'm showing you guys this, but we have collected a ton of Korod. Ding! Be Korod, Nathan. Go. Get it out. You won't die. And even if you do, that is just the beginning. Trying to motivate her. Immaculate, keep going, Immaculate. Immaculate. Shanice, what behavior is this? Avila, won't you say anything? What? What? No. No. Big fan. I've never been in the vlogs, Brian. Any few words to, for our viewers? The Dominic made these houses. You're gonna be lying if you say that they are not amazing. They are really amazing. The artists I really admire painting. अब हमारे गोटे में चार लगेगी सिनारा. You guys doing a very important work for the Goto. Sinara, look at the types of people we have helping us for the Goto. ओए तो गोटे पर काम कर पाता नहीं और अपना बाइक पूछता. वेरी गुड. आपको शर्म नहीं आती? आप ईगोज को कुड़ को यूज करते हैं अपनी बाइक साफ करने के लिए. और आप गोटो साफ करने के लिए आती है और बाइक साफ करती है. नहीं ऊपर वाला आपको देख रहा है. आप मेरी भी साफ करो, मैं आपको कुछ दूंगा.
ये भी मेरे को देख रहा है.
ओए बागी ओए तू रैप सगळं को तल बागी तू कितली फेमस सातो जाण तू. Anything you wanted to speak about this waterfall?
Sagar, not waterfall.
Within 2 more days, this is supposed to look like a very prepared crib. We have Mash with us. We have a few words from Mash coming up real quick. Mash, what are your views about 2 days remaining to make a crib this big and still nothing been done? Say something.
We will do it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You didn't come also. This is the first time you came. Like,
Third time.
don't say we. Say. Don't say we. Wanted to vloggers eating omelette pav. More of us, more of us. You see that, more of us. I'm not sure why I'm doing that. Yeah, it's going good. Nice tattoo, man. Look at it, how beautiful this is. All of this, the whole art thing. Just saying, like, just randomly saying. Even Sinara's hair. Look at how beautiful they are. Nathan, I'm the most hardworking person here. Any doubts there?
Bro, bagging sticks on the table is not work.
But it is. I'm motivating people. Yeah, keep going, my man. Yeah. What's up, my man? Yeah. That's supposed to be GMC. Arey, boy, bare. Ooh. We have almost come to an end of the crib. Yeah, it's happening. It's happening slowly, but it's happening. Hota hai.
It's not the end yet. There's a lot of work remaining. This guy,
But it's happening.
don't follow this guy. If you are really bekar, then still don't follow him.
There we have my man Steven hugging the Corod, taking more of Corod. कैसा लगता है आपको ऐसा काम करके? Keep going with the good work, Maliston. Keep going. Yeah. Oh, Corod, man. What do you thought? You were the star? The Corod is a star. It should be the focus of the vlog. Speak about the Corod.
The Gorod is a very legendary thing.
Yeah.
When you die, you don't get it. When you don't die, you don't get it.
Yeah, that's very well spoken. Just like I would have. And of yourselves, mates. Bye bye. Yeah. Gentlemen, this is how a garbage mountain should look like. That's the best thing I have ever created. That's I mean to say. That's Nathan, how do you feel after doing something like this? It looks amazing, man, Nathan. It looks amazing.
Creative, proud.
Thank you. Not at you. Say what? See, father gives ice creams. I don't know, but it's like extreme happiness, you know. When somebody gives us ice creams, it's like one of the best things that has ever happened. The big crib is almost ready. I'm not sure. That's okay, man. I'm going to release this vlog a little more late. But that looks amazing, doesn't it? It's not completely ready yet. There are buildings and houses that are built and it's supposed to come. And look at that. This looks lit. Is almost done right now, and people are kind of really serious and on top. A boy on top. Te bongo, rao, Ike. Te bongo, Ike. कैसा लगता है आपको ये जो गोटा हो गया वो कंप्लीट हो गया अभी?
वो अभी तक कंप्लीट नहीं हुआ,
पर अच्छा लगता है.
बहुत अच्छा.
हम ओ ब्लॉग घालतो बेटा क्रिसमस का पर होता आमचा पण तरी पण गाडी रे आम्ही काय ना. Avila, few words. Even though you didn't work anything here.
I worked.
No, you didn't, Avila. Look at that. Cherry sauce. How could the Agasai crib be ever completed without cherry sauce, right, Marita? What? Even whatever you do it great. This. What? Sit in the vlog. I'll then show it to you.
Remove my clip.
I'm gonna post this one. Is it fine?
No, it's okay.
You should be privileged to be in the vlog.
When I'm in the mood, when I want to be in the vlog, I will be.
Okay, yeah. Why are you always in the mood? This thing is supposed to be the Dudh Sagar waterfall, and it looks really amazing. Plus, look at that palace. It looks lit. Bro, Marita, a few words about that palace? Nothing? Nada? Okay, fine.
No
A few
fucks,
words?
No fucks.
Good, but not as good as your face.
Thanks. That's my man. I'm gonna put this thing in the vlog. That's my man. Yeah.
Thanks.
You keep going, man. You rock, bro. You rock. Yeah. Shit. Jhumka gira re paheli ke andaz mein. Okay, what's the song they sing?
I don't know, Mando type. They don't sing. They come to
Mando. Yeah. Oh.
They don't sing.
Oh, bro, what's wrong with you? It's a cultural thing when you're singing, bro. It's a singing thing.
Bro,
Bro. I don't know, Conti. What is I do? Carol sing. Kerala Sigi. They look good. Good to see one of them is watching the video, no? Ooh. मैं पहिला चिडो आते मशीन से sorry Innova bro, this thing looks amazing. This thing looks lit. Like one of the best things I have ever seen. What are your few words about this, bro?
बरे हा नरे
आणि किती म्हणू
आणि किती म्हणू बरे हा नरे
ओय
आणि मासे पेंट मारपाचो
no. Oh, look at that. Oh, our first Dio has arrived. Oh, look at it. Okay.
I'm a flex.
You know what? You are just because you have an iPhone doesn't mean you can do that. Okay. I have more subscribers than you have. You don't have subscribers.
have a YouTube channel.
Exactly.
See, look how clear that is.
It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter how clear it is. It's more people are gonna watch this one.
Yes.
Yeah.
People skip, okay?
They don't. Look at it, bro. They look just like you. Amazing.
तू एक रहा होती क्या?
That's what a compliment मरे. पोय तू काय बोलतोस तो? पोय त्याच्या बसेल ना. Top मरे. Ooh, highway रे. Ooh, highway OG. Oh. I'm gonna tell the guy, okay, Nazne, that's supposed to be a highway. Ooh, side re. That's supposed to be a track. It looks amazing. Okay, it looks amazing. By the way, they are the three kings. They look lit, right? Is anyone else excited for my rap? No. I'm gonna put that sad romance song now. We'll go to the mall tomorrow. Yeah. Nitin will go to the showroom not tomorrow. One day we'll buy a new car.
Creta gave him a
Oh yeah. What else do we have? Anik thare.
Sinkage.
Sinkage. Where? Sinkage. This Sinkage poison. Ooh. Pool re Sinkage. It's a pool re. That's supposed to be one of the last few steps left for this thing to be completed. Ting. Looks nice, man. This guy especially. What exactly are you doing, Marita? किती काढ रे तू कुदो पण काय ब्लॉग पण ड्राव रे किस मुट्टे नो no. Yeah, it's a good question. What are they trying to do? They're trying to imitate that lady there, and whatever you're doing great, bro. Keep going. This is the sad side of the crib during the day. Yeah, that is the garbage I made. Wow, I'm amazing at that. The trucks that father got, and oh my god, that truck is from Nathan. Nathan Gomez the Great.
Damn.
Oh. Look at the highway. The highway looks lit. Oh, it is lit. Oh shit, it looks amazing, man. Hyundai showroom. I'm gonna show you guys a detailed crib tomorrow morning, but it looks amazing at night. Amazing at night, and you should be here. Can we have some reviews?
First of all, it's good. It's awesome.
Thank you.
I would like to say thank you to all the youth, Confraria, and
Especially Rizal Fernandez.
especially Rizal Fernandez. He helped only on 3 days, but no comments on that.
Not a very good time to explain you the crib, but it's fine. This is a Dudhsagar waterfall. You see the train there. You know, it looks really lit at night at 6 p.m. The crib's timings are supposed to be 6. I'm gonna explain you guys the crib in like 30 seconds. It's Dudhsagar waterfall, and it separates the old Goa from the old Goa from the new Goa. That's supposed to be Goa in 2050. You see the buildings there? Yeah, that's supposed to be Sinkage, GMC. We have trucks. That's supposed to be a mining area, a destructive Goa. So destructive that even the boards have fallen down. We need to fix that. The top part is a mechanical crib. The King Herod's Palace looks really lit there. And this part is more like an olden time kind of Goa with the church. That's the Augustine church. Yeah, it looks lit. We have something very special here. We have something called as reflect and think for ourselves, where we can see me right now. It's more like, you know, save Molly, guys. Save Molly.
It's an Aston Martin Vantage V12.
Shit,
The
wow.
V12 engine.
Oh my god.
And it's a Camaro.
That's like the most attractive thing in this crib right now. After
Aston
Jesus
Martin.
Christ. Of course. Big fan. Yeah. Also, a shout out to that king. Marita says he looks like me. Does he?
King Rizal.
Take care. See you.
Salam alaikum.
Oh no. Tu zane gotea funci post aki ankelti. Garbage. इतली त्रासान ते गमान स्टीक केलें सो फोकायला न्हू ते जर म्हाका जायत कशें पडलें करपाक अरे ती रिमोट कंट्रोल आहा तिका उदू स्कॅम and guess whose crib is that? Rishon made that crib. Shout out to Rishon. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye. So Merry Christmas. Have a amazing 2021. I said that last year too.